Welcome to the in front of me TCL 30, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and now just to add or remove some from these icons or just to change their positions, you should click here on this pencil icon or just edit icon. And now just you can see all of our visible icons, and here we have our only 4 invisible. If you want, you can add all of them here to the notification panel shortcuts. That's not a problem. So just to add them, hold for a while and drag it here to this up section. So by this way, as can you see, we can just add here more icons. And if you want to remove some icons, by the same way, hold for a while and drag it here to this down section by this way. As can you see, that's really simple. Just to save the positions, click here to go back, and now you can see that we just successfully add the new icon and remove the others. And just if you want to change the position of the icons, hold for a while and drag it, for example, by this way. As can you see, that's really simple. Here we can change only 2 icons together. So as can you see, that's so simple to do. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.